We have convened this press conference in response to recent events of national importance which have shocked the conscience of the nation. Most immediately is the revelation of multiple deaths of babies at Victoria Jubilee Hospital from July through to October. And I want to commence by expressing my profound sympathies to the parents and family and friends of those babies who died. One cannot imagine the pain of the loss of a newborn baby to the mother, the father, and the wider family and friends. The nation grieves with you, and we know that this is not the first time the country has gone through this, but then it needs to stop. In this instance, what is particularly appalling about it was that there seems to have been a concerted effort not to have this matter come to the public's attention. The large number of mortalities, of deaths that occurred in July did not result in information flowing to the public, and indeed we're even told that the Prime Minister himself was kept in the dark for a long period of time. And indeed it was not until the whistle was blown recently, within the last few days, that this matter came to the public's attention. There is a history to this sort of thing, as is well known. Past ministers have resigned when confronted with a similar situation of lack of proper care and attention within Victoria Jubilee Hospital, resulting in a sense that somebody should be held accountable at the top, and the right thing was done. In this instance, not only is that the case, that we have had multiple fatalities of newborn infants due to improper hygiene and care and attention to the facilities where they are being kept within the hospital. But what makes it even more egregious is the failure to disclose and the apparent cover-up.
We're therefore calling for the immediate resignation of the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Tufton. If Dr. Tufton refuses to do the ethical thing and resign, the Prime Minister must relieve him of his duties as Health Minister. There have been too many catastrophes associated with the Ministry of Health. We cannot allow the continued mismanagement and lack of accountability to go on at the Ministry of Health. How many more people, how many more babies should die before something is done to address the woeful condition of our health sector?